every single time you drive, it's an offense in and of itself punishable by up to 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every single time. Ma'am, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. It's elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because of the high blow. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
On January 18th, 2025, the officer observed a vehicle failing to drive in a single lane on West Grand Parkway in Harris County, Texas. The defendant was swerving in and out of 2 lanes and came close to crashing into another vehicle in the next lane. A traffic stop was conducted, and the officer made contact with the defendant, the driver of the vehicle. The officer observed disorientation, a moderate odor of an alcoholic beverage, and slurred speech. The defendant could not provide ID or insurance, and the officer observed an open container of alcohol on the floorboard next to her feet. The defendant stated she had not consumed alcohol, and the officer observed slow movements and unsteadiness on her feet. Standard filter breathing tests were conducted, HGN 6 out of 6, walk and turn 8 out of 8, one-leg stand 2 out of 4. The defendant was read the DIC and consented to breath. The results were 0.290 and 0.294.
So are you telling me that she had alcohol in the car while she's driving?
There was an open container on the floorboards.
Did you put any other indicators like it's cold or?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Keys, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. Do you understand, ma'am? I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're using, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail, ma'am. No more PR bonds. Have you run your license, Alex?
I'll run it right now, Your Honor.
Please. And any prior DWIs?
There are no priors, but there is a pending one out of Austin County, it appears.
Is it? She has a pending DWI in Austin County?
Yes, Judge.
I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to drive any vehicle whatsoever for any reason. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me that you're not going to drive. If I find that you do, I can have a contempt hearing every single time you drive. It's an offense in and of itself punishable by up to 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every single time. I am now going to put an ankle monitor on you so I know that you're not consuming it. I'm also giving you a curfew of 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. On your other ankle, you're going to get a GPS monitor. Stop. I don't want you to talk about the case. I can provide you a lawyer today. But if they're telling me that you have an open DWI and now you picked up another one, I have a big problem with that. I was going to provide you a lawyer today, ma'am, if you would like, a court-appointed lawyer. Did you want a court-appointed lawyer? I will provide you a lawyer today. Ms. Keys, if you have a problem with alcohol, I'm giving you the opportunity now to address it on your own. If you do not, I'm going to do it for you, and I promise you're not going to like the way that I do it. Do you understand, ma'am? Yes. I'm going to do everything in my power to protect my public at all costs. Every single day, someone dies from a DWI in our county. I need you to fill out an application for me, and or you know what? Hold on a second, maybe not. Vic, I have an application on file already. So if you just want to appoint her a lawyer, I'm going to have you sign a receipt with Victoria. You will meet with Fleischer for your bond conditions, and after that, we'll have you take a seat while I find your lawyer. I'm going to have you sign a reset. After that, you'll get with Fleischer for your bond conditions. After that, I'll have you take a seat while I find your lawyer. Please.
No driving affidavit?
Oh, yeah, no driving affidavit. Right.